All right, so it looks like you've been doing some digging and some fascinating research about sleep,
Oh, yeah.
and we're here to help you really unpack it all.
Absolutely.
Um, we've got excerpts here from a really in-depth piece all about how sleep impacts our health.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to go on a deep dive with you to pull out the most impactful findings
Yeah.
about sleep's role in our well-being.
It's fascinating stuff.
You know, it's amazing to me how much we're still learning about sleep.
Oh, it's incredible.
Like scientists are still uncovering these mysteries,
Yeah.
especially when it comes to, how it affects us in the long term.
Yeah, it seems like we're just scratching the surface. I
Right.
mean, think about it. We spend roughly a third of our lives asleep,
Right.
but we're only beginning to understand how crucial it is for things like aging and how well our brains work.
Yeah. That's a great point.
There are some really intriguing findings coming out about the connection between sleep and aging at a cellular level.
No.
Oh, yeah. Studies now show that consistent sleep can actually slow down cellular aging.
Wow.
I mean, it's incredible to think about.
Yeah, that's pretty mind-blowing.
It really underscores that sleep isn't just about feeling rested, you know?
Yeah.
It plays this vital role in our long-term health.
It makes you wonder what other connections we're going to discover in the future, right?
Absolutely. We're just at the beginning.
The source material we have here mentions that researchers are even working on ways to personalize sleep recommendations.
Oh, yeah. That's super interesting.
Can you imagine getting sleep advice as unique as your fingerprint?
That's a great analogy.
Right.
It really gets you thinking, what if we could tailor sleep to each individual?
Yeah,
What could that unlock for their health? I mean, that's a big question.
it is a big question.
Scientists are exploring different approaches to do just that.
Oh, wow.
Things like sleep tracking apps,
Right.
even genetic testing to understand individual sleep needs.
As amazing as personalized sleep sounds, I wonder about, you know, how accessible and affordable that would be for everyone.
That's a really valid point.
Right.
I mean, not everyone has access to those resources right now,
Exactly.
but the fact that researchers are even exploring these avenues, I think, speaks volumes
Yeah.
about the potential of personalized sleep interventions.
And this focus on individual sleep needs.
Yeah.
It kind of has these wider implications for public health as well, right?
Absolutely, it does.
Our source material here also highlights the impact of sleep on public health as a whole.
It's huge.
Right.
Promoting good sleep habits isn't just about individual well-being.
Yeah.
It's crucial for creating a healthier society.
I never thought about it that way.
Imagine a population that's well-rested, functioning at their best.
Yeah.
I mean, the benefits for productivity, mental health,
Wow.
even reducing healthcare costs are enormous.
Yeah, it's kind of like a ripple effect, right?
Exactly. It touches everything.
So I think, the big takeaway here
Yeah.
is that sleep is way more than just resting our bodies.
It's foundational. It's
Yeah.
deeply connected to our long-term health and well-being
Yeah,
in ways we're only beginning to understand.
I think we can all agree with that.
I hope so.
So based on what we've talked about today,
Mm-hmm.
what one small change
Yeah.
could you make this week to prioritize sleep?
That's a great question to consider.
Right.
Even small steps like setting a consistent bedtime
Right.
or creating a relaxing evening routine can make a big difference.
That's some really great advice.
Thanks.
Well, thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of sleep.
My pleasure.
We'll see you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.